Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, we get into a lot of Fenty skin and Fenty beauty reviews, hauls, health tips, and more. And if you like any of those things, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as we would love to have you part of the Vibe Squad. So in today's video, I'm getting straight into it. I'm just so happy I got this stuff before the Super Bowl so I could rock it during the RIRI concert, because that's what we're all tuning in for, right? I was able to get my hands on two of the Mitchell & Ness NFL shirts, and I'm here to show you which two I got and just, explain a little bit about them. So the very first shirt that I got is this black t-shirt. This is the first shirt that I got with the infamous hand raised with the football, the thing that started all of it, the #1 image that did super well. I mean, this shirt went without saying. I was so surprised that this was even available. Again, I went when it had first came out. At the time, I believe the mediums were sold out, so I got this shirt in a large. Now, these shirts are an oversized fit. You 100% could size down. There's nothing on the back of this shirt. It's just all front vibes. I love how it has a quote by Rihanna and then her signature, and it says NFL. I really enjoyed that. As you guys saw, some of the Savage items didn't say that. The second round Savage items didn't say that. I believe the first round had like an NFL logo on it. So it's really nice to get like official merch, I guess you could say. So this shirt right here was $45. I'm currently looking at the site now. Again, this is like 2 days before the Super Bowl. They seem to only have a 2XL, and yeah, so if you're into that, I would say get your hands on. I mean, hey, you could wear it to bed. Like, this is still a really cute top, but it does run very large. I ended up getting this for me and wearing it. I think it's a cute oversized fit, but I think I'm gonna actually probably give it to my man because he can like wear this probably a little bit better than me. But listen, I'm just glad I got my hands on anything, because literally, like, if you guys have been trying to get Rihanna's stuff for the Super Bowl, it's just been like a madhouse. A little bit more about the shirt. It just says Mitchell & Ness. It's really straightforward. I mean, you could rock this shirt with so much. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it here, which is like some camo pants and like some Jordan 1s. Just very laid back, chill vibes. Out of both of those shirts, I like this one. This one's short sleeve. The other one I got is long sleeve. The quality of this shirt is really nice. To me, it's totally worth the $45. The quality is definitely there. It's like kind of heavy in a sense. It's like a thick, it's not like a cheap Walmart dollar store t-shirt, and I appreciate that, because who wants to spend $45 and it's like not giving and it tears up on you in the laundry? So no, this will not do that. Let's move on to the second shirt. So this one just says NFL on the front, so very like straightforward. But what I really like is the sleeve, girl. Like, look how cute this is. Like, it just, I really like the idea of this, having it on the sleeve, just with the football coming down. Again, this photo was just so like viral and at this point infamous that like you have to put it on the shirts, okay? Like, you have to make sure this is on all the shirts, because this is what started it all in the first place. Winner chicken dinner is on the back where it says Fenty. The logo is flipped. The F is flipped. I'm not 100% sure why they chose to do that, but I was actually here for it. I'm like, oh, that's a really cute, it feels very like luxe and chic, and I really liked that. I like the colors that they chose for the shirt. And then there's a quote on the back. I'll read it to you guys. It says, "If there's anything I've learned, it's that we can fix this world together. We can't do it divided. I can't emphasize that enough." And it has Rihanna's signature. Really cute quote. There's RIRI Sig on all of the shirts. I believe have them. This I also got in a size, no, I got this one in a medium, so I was able to get my hands on the medium, and I love the fit of it. It's like the perfect oversize for me. I'm looking on the site right now. It is $60 for this shirt, and it looks like they have it available in large and black currently right now as we speak. Of course, things change every second. But the best thing I could say to get your hands on this stuff is to literally check this site every single day. Like, they throw new stuff, not new stuff, but like they throw more sizes on the site, and I could wear these well after the Super Bowl is over. So yeah, let me show it to you guys again. Cute. We're ready. I'm ready for the Fenty Bowl. I am ready for Rihanna to come out and shut it down. My Caribbean queen, my Caribbean family, okay? Like, we are rocking for the Caribbean girls out here, and I'm just so excited. And yeah, we're gonna talk about it after, like, have a little recap on what we think. I hope she performs every single song in the 13 minutes. So crazy, right? Only 13 minutes for our girl. Like, if you have any gear that you've picked up, let me know. If there's anything else that you want to see, I'm happy to post about it. Anyways, you guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this quick video on these pickups that I recently just got. I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.